Oh,
Drop it. Left, drop it.
oh.
Start right in there. It must work right too. Back here.
Ready when you are.
All right, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay? So we're gonna take a nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. One more time, please. All the way out. A nice deep breath in, all the way out. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Good. So we're gonna take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Put your toes down for me.
Oh, that was good.
How'd that feel?
Oh, I feel good. Oh,
Get a good release on that?
yeah. Found it all the way back here.
Awesome, man. Awesome.
Oh, it was good.
All right, let's lift up. Awesome. Perfect, man. Perfect. Very good. One more time. So head right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder for me. Just relax it, please. Relax it. Drop the head to the right. Drop it.
Oh, wow.
Good.
That's good.
How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. All right, let's do the shoulder right behind the neck for me. that arm down. Just relax it, relax it, relax it.
Oh, I think that's what I needed.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good release there. Wow.
Yeah, I think
How'd
that's
that
what I
feel?
needed. Yeah, good. It's been out of place. I guess it's been out of place for a long time.
Yeah.
I felt good.
Good. Great.
Yeah, look at that.
Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah, I wasn't able to do this.
Awesome. Great range of motion now.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Switch over to the other side. Actually, rotate you down here. Just relax that there. Just give me full control here. Now just drop the head to the left. Drop it. Very good. Great release there.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm gonna do this right shoulder as well. I'm just gonna come down. Just relax it for me. Good release there. How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome.